Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to change language to English from any other language on your WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you have accidentally changed your WhatsApp language in any other language and you want to change back to English, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp. In top right side corner you will find here three dots. You have to just tap on that. In this you will find last option, settings. If you are unable to read that what is it exactly, just you have to select the last option, which is setting. Just tap on that, scroll down. In this you can see here this globe type icon, which is language type. You have to just tap on this globe type icon. Here you will see the all the languages. In this you can see the second language, English. Just tap on that and your language will be changed back to English. That's it guys. So in this way you can change your WhatsApp language back to English. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.